Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add music to YouTube Shorts. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and click on create at the top right corner of the screen, and after that just simply click on upload a video, and from here just simply drag and drop your file, or just simply click on select file over here and just simply upload your video. And now from here, just of course simply provide a title, the description, and the thumbnail as well. And from here, just simply click on next. And after that, just simply do the usual process when you are uploading a short. And now, once you have uploaded it, just simply go ahead and click on this short over here on the short category. So guys, from here, just simply click on the shorts that you uploaded. And after that, from here, you should be able to see editor on the left side of the screen. And from here on the editor side, you can just simply click on get started. And after that, you should be able to see here audio. So click on this. And from here, you should be able to choose multiple music that you can choose from. And from here, just simply select audio and click on add over here. And after that, just simply click on save. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.